Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. And documents. We do a lot of document management and manipulation in WorkMovr. We do use Amazon AWS extensively for both storage and manipulation. A couple of reasons for that. AWS is very, very inexpensive. And by storing physical documents there with just references in Caspio, we do save the Caspio database size and avoid overage charges and things like that. And also, it's just much more easy to manipulate a document once it's stored in AWS. And we do have another video on document storage. Okay? So our document components, storing documents in Amazon AWS, generating PDFs, do a lot of that, also Excels and Word docs, generating contracts from paragraphs, those sorts of things. We don't use the download from the report that Caspio download Excel. We have our own component, which we think is a little bit more capable. And so we use our own component for Excel exports from Caspio. Merging PDFs, PDF overlays, etc. We do that a lot. Attaching documents to emails, SMSs, and faxes. And also working with Google Docs. A lot of our customers now put some of their stuff in Google Docs, some of their stuff in Caspio, and we work with both of those. So thank you.